paper, plastic, or glass. We have 3 different bins in the class. Every afternoon, we buy some fruit. We have 3 shopping bags. Are they cute? In the evening, we have a quick shower. It's only 5 minutes, not an hour. We don't study or play games at night. We go to sleep and switch off the light. At the weekend, we meet and plant a tree. We do all